Thirikari ni hororeirie shiringi milioni 344 kuhitukira ruhonge rwa National Agriculture and Rural Inclusive Growth Project niruo NARIGP guteithiriria hari uthii wa na mbere wa urimi kaunti-ini ya Nakuru.
Njira, the county project coordinator of the Nake. We've been able to assist or facilitate through the project 20,533 beneficiaries in total. That is from the 934 CAGs/VMGs that we've been able to assist to the tune of 344 million shillings.
Murugamiriri wa tafarira ino augite ati mbeca icio ni ihuthikite hari guteithiriria mibango ya gwakira arimi, kugacirithia arimi iria, waki wa kiganda kia kuiga waru na mangi maingi.
We have also been able to profile and assist 12 cooperatives or farming cooperatives that are profiled and recorded and registered with the Department of Registration.
Ithunguri ongereirie ati milioni 700 ni cineanitwo hari tafarira itiganite kaunti-ini ya Nakuru kuma riria tafarira ya NARIGP yahingũrirwo miaka 5 mihituku.
Nake project has received about 700 million in the county since the inception of the project in 2018.
Tafarira ino ire kunyitaniri gatagati ka thirikari nene na bengi ya bururi-ini iria yambiririo mwaka-ini wa 2022 na ikiongererwo mwaka ungi umwe uria riu uguthira mwaka-ini wa 2024 mweri-ini wa gatatu.
This is our 6th year of implementation. We are supposed to wind up the project in 2022, but we have had an extension of 1 more year, and we are going to close the project in March 2024.
Githunguri ongereirie ati makiria ma miato ya ukingiri 3 ni cineanitwo kuri ngurubu ngurani cia ukuria wa njuki, guko makiria ma mbegu cia miti 50,000 ni cineanitwo kuri arimi niguo kuhimbiria ukuria wa miti na urimi.
20,533 people have benefited from the project. They have been able to get both the software and the hardware of the project. When I talk about the software, I mean about building their capacity in terms of empowering them, in terms of training them, while the hardware component of the project involves now assisting what you call the starter capital to these groups so that they can embark on economic activities.
Gavana Kihika augite ati thirikari yake ni irutanirie hari kurehe ukuria kuhitukira urimi. Kihika onanitie ati kuhimbirio kwa undu uyu ni gugucungiriria urimi ita njira ya kuhurana na hota, kunyihia garama ya muturire na uheani wa mawira.
That Nakuru County is committed to increase agricultural productivity, help our farmers increase their earnings and transit to value chain addition as we lay the ground to embrace agro industry.
Arimi a guku gicigo bunge kia Molo kaunti-ini ino maugite ati tafarira ya NARIGP ni mateithiriirie na njira nene hari kumenya njira ya kuigithia na wendia wa nguku.
Mimi ni kati ya wakulima ambao wamebenefit na huu mradi wa Nake na katika value chain ya poultry. We were funded tulipewa incubator ambao imeweza kutusaidia kama kikundi kuagua vifaranga.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Ndung'u.